So you've been in the military. How long were you there for?
All in all, 17 years.
People still doubt you?
They told me I'd never make it through the military because I was a female.
Wow. What are you going to say to the doubters if you make it on?
I'm not going to say anything to the doubters. I won't have to. I'll know myself what I did.
Hello there. What's your name?
My name is Lynn.
And what are you cooking for us today?
Today I'm making venison, tenderloin with pan-seared foie gras on a celery root puree.
You've got 5 minutes to present that. Lynn, why did you choose that dish?
I grew up very poor, and every fall my dad would go hunting with his friend. Whatever they killed, that was our meat for the winter.
What are you making right now?
That's a ploy. It's a pancake that's made with buckwheat flour, and it's only cooked on one side, and you always throw the first one out for luck. This was eaten at every meal when I was growing up.
Lynn, what do you do for a living?
Actually, sir, I'm a military veteran, and I was injured in the line of duty.
Wow.
I banged my knee up pretty good. I've had 11 knee surgeries. They also told me I'd never be able to walk in heels, but here I am.
Looks like you're moving around pretty good to me.
So why are you here? Why do you want to win this?
The reason I joined the military is because my parents couldn't afford to send me to university, and now it's time to do what I want to do.
Well, Lynn, I tell you, I haven't seen someone put so much and do so much in 5 minutes. Are you sure you can pull it off?
Everybody told me it was impossible for a girl from Edmonton to ever make it on MasterChef.
So you're here to prove them wrong, right?
Yes, I am going to prove them wrong.
Hi there, Lynn.
Hi.
Where did you learn to cook foie gras like that?
I went to a restaurant in Montreal once, and I had it, and by the taste and the texture, that's how I learned how to cook the foie gras.
Thank you, Lynn.
Thank you.
Hi, Lynn.
Hi.
Why do you think people underestimate you?
I second-guess myself. That's my biggest weakness.
We can't do that in MasterChef.
No.
Wow, this is very ambitious. So you've been in the military. How long were you there for?
All in all, 17 years.
People still doubt you?
They told me I'd never make it through the military because I was a female.
Wow. Look at that. How did you get all the little holes in there? It's beautiful.
It's just the technique of whipping it and the amount of buckwheat flour you put.
What are you going to say to the doubters if you make it on?
I'm not going to say anything to the doubters. I won't have to. I'll know myself what I did.
Should we huddle?
Her dish was good. Very good. The plate was a bit small, crowded.
The presentation, the flavor.
Did you love her dish, though? You're self-taught, you said, right? Would a white apron take you to the next level, do you think?
It just seems unattainable, so trade just about anything for one of those. I can't believe it. Everybody told me it was impossible. I am going to be Canada's next Master Chef. I will.
For this next group of home cooks,
All right.
These are the people that mean most to me in the world.
making meals is a family affair.
Just because you're a stay-at-home mom doesn't mean you can't make a restaurant-quality meal every single day.
Today I'm making jerk chicken pot pie.
I have made you a 10-layer cinnamon torte.
Only 10 layers?
I didn't want to rip you off.
Do you have a family?
I have 3 little boys.
I'm a stay-at-home mom.
My daughter's palates are well refined. Sometimes we just roll a globe and we decide we're gonna cook a meal from that place in the world.
Wow.
The berries are the star of the dessert.
Looks like you're on the pursuit of perfection.
Hopefully. I want this so bad.
It's perfect.
I think you cook with a lot of soul.
I consider myself a food superhero. to make the world a better place, one bite at a time.
My mom was a stay-home mom, and I saw how hard she worked. I think you're looking for an opportunity to finally do something for yourself.
Yeah.
So my answer is a yes.
We're going to win MasterChef Canada.
I see skill. And when I see skill, I like.
I loved your food. I thought it was amazing.
Do big guys come in here and get emotional?
Come on up here and get your apron.
This means the world. You're looking at the next MasterChef Canada. Absolutely, without a doubt.
The last home cook to audition is Debbie,
We're going to rock it.
a special needs teacher from Port Hood, Nova Scotia.
Perfect. I love cooking. I'm passionate about it. It is part of my personality. It's part of me. I have parties a lot of the time. I'm used to cooking for anywhere between 30 and 50 people. So I'm good at it. I really am. If I don't come out of there with a white apron, there's something wrong. Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Debbie.
What are you making?
I am making crab cakes with spicy mustard sauce and mango curry sauce.
The way she handles that knife. You have some great energy.
Don't let this beauty fool you here. I'm 54 years old, but hey, let me tell you, I can run with the rest of them out there.
Debbie, what is your food dream?
My cousin would like to build a little inn, and she would like me to be the chef. I want another career when I finish teaching, and I'm hoping today that you'll love my crab cake so much that you'll give me that white apron, and I'm telling you right now, you'll never eat crab cakes as good.
Debbie, are you a competitive person?
I'm good enough to be here. I want to win. I'm telling you, I want to win.
All right, time's up. Debbie, so you got the yellow sauce, you got the white sauce. What's the difference?
The mango curry one is it's sweeter, but I like the mustard one too. I like something that's a little spicy.
Is it as good as you say it is?
Shaking.
Watching you move around the kitchen there, cooking was a joy.
Oh, thank you.
Now it's just down to the taste. It has a good crunch to it. It's interesting flavors. Thank you.
You hear that?
Yep,
Wow, crispy. You know your food, don't you?
I do. I didn't get to be this size without eating it.
This doesn't usually happen, but I'm kind of lost for words. This is,
Bad or good?
Debbie, you promised me a crab cake that was tasty. You said the sauce was gonna be spicy and sweet. You promised me that. And you delivered. Yes.
Thank you.
I'd be an absolute idiot to say no to you.
Oh my God. Thank you, thank you.
The crust was light, some very fresh, bright flavors. Absolute yes.
Okay.
That was absolutely delicious. All that's really left to do is to ask you to come up here and get an apron. Come on up here, Debbie. Try this on for size.
God, I can't
There we
believe
go.
this. Thank you so much. Oh.
Incredible.
She's great. She's great.
I'm gonna have a little more of this crab cake.
Oh my God, I can't even tell you how excited I am. Oh, I love you. Oh, I can breathe.